Hey guys, today I'm back with another video, and many of you have maybe had this problem where it says failed over here and you cannot complete any purchase, and it gives you an error. It says unable to complete purchase, and you have to enter your your password, and when you press on continue it still doesn't work. So this is a major problem. Everyone has this problem, many people, and it's set by default in whatever country you're living in. So for me, I wanted to buy a game. I wanted to purchase something and it didn't let me, and I just realized how to fix it. So first you open the dialing place, and then you press on *101 *70#, and here you can set your purchase limit to whatever you want per month. So for example, in this month, say your purchase limit, you're gonna buy something for $250 or dirhams, so the limit should be higher or the same. So you press on 1, continue, and you can set it. You can set any price you want. So if you want any price, you have to press on 3, and then you press on 5, and you press on the amount you want. For me it's 20 dirhams, and yeah, you just put whatever money you want. Now here, the problem that happens is, why didn't it work before, is because, see, now I press on 1, it says your app store cap limit is 20 dirhams. So it's set by default to 0, so you cannot buy anything. Doesn't let you. So I made it 20, and now purchasing works. Yeah, thank you for watching.